Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Java 8 stream. In order to use the streams in Java 8, we have to include the package java util.stream, where util is a package and stream is a sub package. This package provides various classes, interfaces, and enum in order to allow various functional state operations on the elements. The features of Java 8 stream are: it does not store any elements, it will perform it does not store any elements, it is functional by nature, so that we can perform any operation on the stream but without modifying its original source. In general, stream is called as lazy because it evaluates the code only when it is required. The element of a stream can only be visited only once during the lifetime of a stream. Like an iterator, a new stream must be generated to revisit the elements of the source. It is possible to use stream for the purpose of filtering, to collect the data in collection, and in order to print the elements, or to convert the data from one data structure to another. Java 8 streams contains of two set of operations. One is called as intermediate operation and another one is called as terminal operations. The purpose of intermediate operations are that with the help of intermediate operations we can perform the operations on the stream in order to either view the result or to display the result. We have to go towards terminal operations. So some of the intermediate operations supported by Java stream are map, filter, sorted, etc. By the name itself we can identify that the purpose of map is to return a stream consisting of the result by applying the given function to the elements of particular stream. For example, the map in the sense here we have mentioned as, map of x which tends to x star 2. Here this tends operator is called as lambda expression, as we have discussed earlier. So it means that the x is going to take the value which is x star 2, that is the multiplication of x by 2. The value of x is taken from the numbers. The number is of type list, so the list is a class, right? So for the list the number is a object. So for that number object we are going to store some value as 1, 2, 3. We convert the given values as a list, and we have stored those values in the object named as numbers. After that we are going to convert the given numbers into stream. Stream is nothing but, we have already know that in general stream means that flow of something. The something indicates that the stream is data. So stream is a flow of data. So the numbers list is converted into flow of data, that is stream. After that those data is mapped to x by applying the function x star 2. After applying the function, we have to collect the result in some collection. There is some collection in the sense here we are going to use collectors dot to list of, so that again the stream is converted into list type. Similarly, the next one is filter. The filter method is used to select the elements as per the given predicate. Here the predicate is nothing but it is a condition passed as an argument. For example, here again for the list we have created object named as names arrays dot as list of. So it converts the given value into of the type list. So here we are going to pass the values as string. So we are going to store three names, that is Ram, Can and Step. So again we are going to apply the same stream of method to convert the list values into flow of data, that is stream data. After that we are going to apply the method filter of. Okay. The filter of S, again S tends to, that is the S lambda expression of S dot starts with C. So it returns the set of all strings which starts with C. After the results are returned, we have to store the result in some of the collection operators, so that we are going to apply the method collect of collectors dot to list of. The to list of method converts the stream into list type. So the third one is sorted. By the name itself we can identify that the purpose of sorted method is to arrange the elements in either ascending or descending order. By default, the sorted method arranges the elements in ascending order. So again we have applied the same concept. The only change is that we are going to apply the sorted method. The sorted of arranges the elements in ascending order. After that, with the help of again to list of method, we are going to convert the stream of data into list type. So the next set of operations is terminal operations. The terminal operations, in that the intermediate results that are all received by the previous methods have to be stored somewhere else in order to view the result. So we have already come across the method collect of. The collect of method is used to return the result of intermediate operations performed on the particular stream. Here the collect of collectors dot to set of converts the stream data into set data structure, so that we have to store the result in set object. So the for each method, the next method is for each method. The for each method is used to iterate through every element in the stream. Here, so for each of some object, some variable tends to, that is the lambda expression of the particular operation. Here the for each method iterates So the for each, so it iterates towards the set of all elements and performs the operation which we given in the particular, which we given after the particular lambda expression. The next method is reduce. The reduce method helps to reduce the elements of a given stream to a single value. It takes the binary operator as a parameter. So let us see an example. Again, we are creating the object num, in which we are going to store the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to find out the even number, that is sum of even numbers. Again, the number dot stream of converts, sorry, here the number, this is num dot stream of converts the list data into stream. After that, it gets into the intermediate method filter of, here the x percentage to equal to 0. So it iterates towards each and every element of the stream and checks for whether the remainder is 0 or not. If the remainder is 0, then the particular element is passed to the next operation, that is terminal operation reduce of. Here the reduce of 0 comma a comma b. The 0 is the initial value, that is the from starting itself we are going to take the values. After that, a comma b means that a plus b, that is the first value and the next value will be added together, so that it returns sum of even numbers to the variable even. So it is explained here as, here a is a variable assigned as 0 and which is initial value, and b is added to it. So in the